In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VPN on Samsung phone. First, let's start by opening the Google Play Store on your Samsung phone. You can find this app on your home screen or in your app drawer. The Play Store is where you can download various applications, including VPN apps. Once the store opens, you will see a search bar at the top. This is where you'll type in the name of the VPN app you want. The Play Store offers a variety of VPN applications which can help you secure your internet connection. So take your time to find the right one for your needs. Next, you'll need to search for a VPN app. Simply tap on the search bar and type in VPN. You will see a list of available VPN applications. Some popular options include NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and TunnelBear. Look for one that has good reviews and a solid reputation. This step is crucial because a reputable VPN will provide better security and performance while you browse. Once you find the app you prefer, tap on it to view more details. After selecting your VPN app, it's time to tap the Install button. This button is usually green and located near the top of the screen. Once you tap it, the app will begin downloading and will automatically install on your device. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. When it's finished, you will see an Open button appear. This confirms that the installation was successful and your new VPN app is ready for use. Now that the app is installed, go ahead and open it. You can do this by tapping the Open button in the Play Store or by finding the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Opening the app for the first time usually shows a welcome screen. This screen may provide a brief overview of the app's features. It's important to familiarize yourself with the interface as this will make the next steps easier. Next, you will need to sign in or create an account. Most VPN apps require an account to provide personalized features and maintain your security. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials, and if not, look for an option to create a new account. This step is vital, as having an account allows you to manage your VPN settings and ensure your data is protected. Now, the app will likely ask for several permissions. You need to allow the VPN permission for the app to function correctly. This permission is essential because it enables the VPN to create a secure connection. You might see a pop-up asking for your approval. Be sure to grant these permissions, as it ensures your connection is secure and private. With the permissions granted, it's time to select a server location. Most VPN apps offer various server locations around the world. You can choose a server based on your needs, whether for browsing local content or accessing content from other regions. Selecting the right server can enhance your internet experience by improving speed and accessibility. Next up, tap the Connect button. This action initiates the connection to the chosen server. Once you tap Connect, you will see a progress indicator as the app establishes a secure connection. This step is critical, as it confirms that your internet traffic will now be encrypted and routed through the VPN server. Finally, wait until you see the word Connected appear on the screen. This confirmation signifies that your VPN connection is active and secure. You are now ready to browse the internet safely. This ensures that your online activities are hidden from prying eyes and adds a layer of security to your data. Now you can browse the internet securely. Remember that using a VPN enhances your privacy and security while online. It is a simple yet effective way to protect your information from potential threats. Enjoy your secure browsing experience.